Friends, welcome to Logical Sanatan Gyan channel. Here I am giving you some useful information about Bhagwan Krishna. As per our records and ancient Indian history, Krishna was born 5252 years ago, and as per the Gregorian calendar, the date of birth was 18th July 3228 BC. The month was Shravan, day was Ashtami in Hindi calendar, Nakshatra was Rohini, and the day was Wednesday. The time was 12 o'clock night or 0 am. Shri Krishna, he lived around 125 years, 8 months and 7 days. Date of when he left his body, it was 18th February 3102 BC. When Krishna was 89 years old, he took the part in Kurukshetra war, that is called Mahabharata, and Bhagavad Gita has come. He died 36 years after the Kurukshetra war. Kurukshetra war was started on Mrigashira Shukla Ekadashi 3139 BC, that is on 8th December 3139 BC, and ended on 25th December the same year. There was a solar eclipse between 3 p.m. to 5 p.m. on 21st December 3139 BC, cause of the Jayadratha death. Bhishma, he also died on 2nd February, the first Ekadashi of Uttarayana in 3138 BC. Krishna is worshipped as Krishna Kanhaiya in Mathura, Jagannath in Odisha, Vithoba in Maharashtra, Srinath in Rajasthan, Dwarkadish in Gujarat, Ranchod in Gujarat, Krishna Udupi in Karnataka, and Guru Vayurunappan in Kerala. He was biological father of Vasudeva. His biological father was Vasudeva, biological mother was Devaki, adopted father was Nanda, adopted mother was Yashoda. His elder brother was Balram, sister was Subhadra, and birthplace was Mathura. He was having 8 wives: Rukmani, Satyabhama, Jambavati, Kalindi, Mritavinda, Najiti, Bhadra, और लक्ष्मणा. Krishna is reported to have killed only 4 people in the lifetime. That Charun, who was the bachelor, Kans, who was his maternal uncle, and Shishupal and Dantavrak, they were his cousin. Life was not fair to him at all. His mother was from Ugra clan and father from Yadav clan. It was an interracial marriage. He was born dark-skinned. He was not named at all throughout his life. The whole village of Gokul started calling him the black one, that is Shyam. Kana. He was ridiculed and teased by being black, short and adapted to. His childhood was wrought with life-threatening situation. Dot and third of wild wolf made from shift from Gokul to Vrindavan at the age of 9. He stayed in Vrindavan till 10 years and 8 months. He killed his own uncle at the age of 10 years, 8 months at Mathura. He then released his biological mother and father. He never returned to Vrindavan ever again. He had to migrate to Dwarka from Mathura due to threat of Sindhu king Kala Yadav. Kal Yavan. He had to migrate to Dwarka from Mathura due to threat of Sindhu king Kal Yavan. He defeated Jarasandha with the help of Vaidnadhya tribes on Gomantak Hill, which is now Goa. He rebuilt Dwarka. He then left to Sandipni Ashram in Ujjain to start his schooling at the age of 16 to 18 years. He had to fight the pirates from Africa and rescue his teacher's son Punardatta, who was kidnapped near Prabhasa, it is a seaport in Gujarat. After his education, he came to know about his cousin fate of Vanvas. He came to their rescue in Vax's house, and later his cousin got married to Draupadi. His role was immense in his saga. Then he helped his cousin stabilizing Indraprastha and his kingdom. He saved Draupadi for embarrassment. He stood by his cousin during his exile. He stood by them and made them win the Kurukshetra war. He saw his cherished city Dwarka washed away. He was killed by a hunter whose name was Jara in the nearby forest. Once upon a time, Lord Krishna was sleeping under a tree, and the Jara, who was the hunter, he was by chance, he thought it is a deer. So he put a arrow which was inserted inside the leg toe of the left leg, and because of excess bleeding he died. Anyway, he chose this method for his death because this was not a big reason. He never did any miracle. His life was not a successful one. There was not a single moment when he was at peace throughout his life. At every turn, he had challenged and even more bigger challenges. He faced everything and everyone with a sense of responsibility and yet remained unattached. He is the only person who knew the past and future, yet he lived at the present moment always. He and his life is truly an example for every human being. His teachings in Bhagavad Gita are miraculous, and in present day also they are the bond for love and affection between the countries, because the Bhagavad Gita is written in all the languages of the world, and whenever their president or prime minister or any top leader visit India, they get Bhagavad Gita in their own languages. Even this has been written in Arabic too, also in Muslim countries. It is very popular, and the people, they are coming towards Sanatan, and they are adopting Sanatan because of the nice teachings from Bhagavad Gita. Friends, today is Janmashtami. I hope you will celebrate it in a grand way. Be at home. Follow Corona protocols. Jai Shri Krishna. Jai Jai Shri Krishna.